What do we think the reason for this sell-off is? Is it just a
We're
little bit
looking
of
for
altitude sickness? Just needs to
entry.
go find some
Oh,
new buyers.
830. Oh my God.
You
That's
talking gold? I mean,
Yeah.
like
nice.
the same reason
How
stocks are
far
up.
did
I
we
mean,
go?
gold. We talked about how at the start of this conflict
Far.
between Israel and Iran, instead of buying the treasuries, they bought up gold, and and it sold stocks, bought gold,
Need an
and with
entry
this
somewhere
recovering, there's not
around
sort of fear in the market. Where's the VIX at right now?
Oh, good
15.
question.
VIX
Where's
is
the
below 20.
15? Where's the 15? What are we? Where
Really
what's the
really
time?
wiggly here, man.
44.
Yeah, it is, Hoke.
We getting ready to the 45 minute
I'm gonna leave my
mark,
stop
so
where
we're
it
gonna
is.
switch here to 15.
Accepted the risk on this trade. I'm actually
We're gonna
thinking
do
about
this,
if we get back above
like it
28s,
or not,
potentially adding back
I
into
need
this
more real
and
estate.
taking some of the risk off. But for now, I'm gonna leave the trade where it is.
IB low
Nice.
is 34, 25, 40.
25, 40.
So overall,
That's
Come
the
on.
heat check here. Let me look at this. What do I got for the high? All-time high SPX is about 161.45. So we're about 120 points, which would make the all-time high in this contract
my
what, like close to
fuels? Where am I?
50.
Fuel.
Man, it's too early Monday for me to start doing math. Let me do it real quick though.
Jay, I think we're
Public
going to
math
join
on a
you.
Monday.
You're
See if I
in
get a little
gold?
pullback here and buy gold.
Okay.
Ooh, let's go, Hogue. Hogue is seeing something in the market with that gold. What are you bidding,
I
Hogue?
was going to try and buy your stop, but I
Make
don't think we're
'em
going to get it.
black. Make them both one black.
And we did roll,
white.
by the way. In Top Step X, we are
Let's
rolled. We
see
are
if we
trading the
can
September contracts for equities
see
right
that
now,
better.
as of today.
Okay, we're in.
Okay, very good. One black.
Jay, how do you feel about Hogue trying to prey on your stop?
And
Hey,
we're
man.
I'm not
gonna
praying.
throw that up
It's a zero sum
here.
game. Somebody has to lose.
And where's the
Ooh, NASDAQ. All green.
That is true. And I saw some questions in the chat
Yeah.
earlier talking about, Hogue mentioned, well, we're taking out the highs from the New York session on Friday in the ES right now.
Oh my goodness.
People were asking about
It's
cash
stopping, it's
settlement
stopping, it's
in
stopping.
certain
It
futures
is.
like the equities. It just means there's no
Let's
delivery
go right
or
here by
acceptance of a physical
I-48.
commodity, right? If you hold it
Right.
to expiration, each one of these contracts is zero sum. So every contract that gets held to expiration,
Oh my
the
goodness,
losers
it's
pay
going
the
on
difference
without me.
between the
Oh,
final, what
God.
do you call it, expiration price or settlement price,
Settlement price.
and
Yep.
We're going to
and the winners receive that money.
43.
Cash money.
43.93. Where is that?
It is a zero-sum game.
This is the price target.
NASDAQ
Oh,
pushing highs,
come
32,110.
Come back for
Higher
me.
highs, higher lows. In
Come back
the
for
NASDAQ.
me.
What's
Come back
also
for
happening
me,
in
a
the
stranger.
US,
Come
it
back
is, so
for
new highs.
me.
This is awesome.
Come
Are we
back for
back where we can just buy
me, a
indices again?
stranger.
That was a
Come
fun
back
time.
for
I
me.
did enjoy that.
I
You could just wake up and buy
will
NASDAQ.
win the
Everything
money.
You
was
mean
so
like
easy.
I need the money
the
so
last
I
month and a half?
Yeah.
can
It's
pay
been
the
the time.
bills. I
There's
gotta
a little
pay the
bit. There's a
bills.
little bit of like extra sauce going on though, because you got like the
Let's
geopolitical
see.
stuff. I mean, back when Nvidia was just
Come
pushing this market, it
on,
was just
no.
blue skies. But now we have like a little bit more going on with like geopolitically. It seems like a little bit more of a herky jerky rally than before.
Hey,
Just
crude,
anecdotal
81% long here in the tilt.
Whoa.
Crude.
Whoa.
New high in Dow. New high NASDAQ. New high ES.
Jack's favorite market.
Mhm.
How's Sherwin-Williams doing? Oh yeah, look at this. YM is broken out much better than the
Come on
NASDAQ
back.
or
Come
ES
on
has.
back.
Trading at
Pick me up. Pick
42,880.
me up. Pick
Colby, I
me
think we
up.
might be seeing that Dow as a leader here early this
Ooh,
morning. I've been
3?
watching all
No,
the
I don't want
markets.
3 at the. I don't want 3 right
Russell's
there.
just sort of doing its own thing right now.
Per usual. Per usual. Actually, that's Jack's first most disliked indice. Then YM. Is that right, Jack?
Oh,
What was the first one you named? The Russell?
Yeah, Russell's the worst.
the
Yeah,
same.
I mean,
YM.
for different
Page.
reasons. By the
There
way,
we-
I'm not
I don't
against.
want to short.
Ooh, it's all off
You
here.
make money trading any of them.
No,
Go for it.
you crazy? Not short. It's so
Oh.
long.
There's a big wiggle here in the Nasdaq. We were
We
trading
go with
22,000.
one
This is a
right here.
rejection.
Not sure.
Yeah, go
Yeah,
ahead.
this is a
One
rejection
long.
off of the high from Friday, I think.
Bad
Tested it,
boy.
at least in the ES. They got
Come
about a half
back
point
for
above
me.
it. Now we'll see if
Come
they can
back.
take it out.
Come back. Come back.
This end up being a
Come
range
back.
day. Is there enough?
I'm your
Is there enough
friend.
lack
I'm your
of news
friend because
to
I want to go
push the
here. I want to
indices
go to
higher here?
43. Come
2060
on
could be a little
now.
bit of support on the
Crap,
5-minute range that we have.
crap.
Kind of see how that plays
Come
out.
on.
We are about
Hold
halfway
these
through
buyers.
June already,
Look at
which is
this.
absolutely
Nobody at
insane.
25.
Chat, how has your first half of the month been?
17. Nobody
Did
at
you manage your risk? Did you follow your
17.
strategy?
Everybody under.
And more importantly,
Why
chat,
there's
what are
no
you going to work
love?
on for the second half of
Why
June?
there's no
What are you going to try
love?
to
Come
improve?
on, love for Antonio.
Oh, is there anything that you're looking to work on for the second half of June?
Me?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, you.
down.
Yeah. I want to learn how to
Pick
scalp.
me up.
I haven't scalped in
Ooh,
30 years, but it looks like fun.
What I have?
it
48.
is fun. Is there if you had to sign up for a VIP coach, who would you want to learn scalping from, Hogue?
Oh, shit.
61. Look at this.
I don't know.
9.
All the waiting.
It's
We're all
already
awaiting your
going to
answers.
my
It's very important.
to my
Ken Griffin.
Big pop
my
here in the
God.
S&P. All the
Come
equities
Big
on.
really.
pop.
Oh,
Out.
I'm over
Put a
here
stop
waiting
on.
for my thing, man. 10
Probably
o'clock.
Dakota, because
10
he's working
o'clock.
on his scalping as
Gotta
well.
wait for 10 o'clock.
Yeah. So I guess it's not necessarily who do you prefer. It's like who do you more resonate with, right? Whose strategy do you think you could maybe embrace, right? You're not a range trader. You're not looking at ranges. But you'd be like an ATR scalper, Hogue. Pick up that one. It seems pretty cool.
I mean, technical analysis is technical
Hey,
analysis,
we are
right?
to say we're going to say.
I'm used to looking at it on a much longer time frame, and you're not going to be a scalper if you're looking at the profiles.
Please
I can
sell.
still trade off the profiles,
Sell.
but I'd like to add another layer
Oh,
of
no.
more excitement.
Flying.
If my heart can handle it.
Cancel all. Cancel all. Okay, we back to 700.
Your heart will be
That's
just
fine.
700.
There's plenty of
Coming
room in your
around
heart for a
me
little bit
all
of
the
scalping.
time.
Yeah.
Told you it was going to make
Couple
2,000.
micros will be just
I
fine.
get-
High energy.
Oh yeah. Hey, you could do what Mo
Okay.
did. Mo switched completely from Nasdaq to ES, and it sounds like it was
Yeah.
a hell
Oh,
of
I
a
would be
decision.
trading
Oh,
the
my
ES. I would be trading the
goodness.
ES. I'm not trading the Nasdaq.
43-ish. I told
Feel
you
free to
this
dip your
is
toe
the
in the
price
water
point.
during this segment, Hogue. If
Trust-
you see an ES
trust-
trade that you
trust
like,
the
I think chat would be
Navy.
thrilled to have
Trust the
Hogue take a
Colombian.
trade in the ES.
Trust the
maybe even
Colombian.
an MES.
You trust the Colombian.
Also,
you
chat
will doing
loves
business. Let's
you saying the
turn this
word
baby
shit,
off, 'cause
Hogue.
this is the one that's
Maybe they wanted to add it to the sound pack for when they get stopped out.
Come
That's what it
on
sounds like.
down.
Maybe we can have
Come
the,
on down. 10
the
o'clock.
teamwork
10
on that
o'clock.
one.
10 o'clock. 10
That was,
o'clock.
well
9
done,
more
well
minutes
done.
for me to get a
Put that free
trade.
when your stock gets hit. Oh, shit.
How nice would that be?
Hey, I would use
We've
it.
also
let's
we've
do
also
it. Let's do it.
retraced to the area.
Let's do it
looking
right
back,
here.
Right now in the ES, we're right where we were when we started the sell-off from the Pentagon pizza indicator, i.e., when the bombs started falling in Iran. We
Sell six.
basically just touched that, and now once again, little rejection. We'll see if we can take that out, but it's
And
kind
now
of
quickly.
made the full loop back to where we were. Also, I'm happy to report MP took a few contracts short over the weekend that he had that were in the money, and it looks like they posted his P&L. I believe he's flat the trade that he didn't just ride it blindly because obviously it rallied all the way back. So good cut.
No,
Made a little money there.
No.
Nice job.
About 2 G's.
Ooh,
Come
that's a
on
great trade. Nice job,
down,
MP.
Come on down.
Nice job.
No.
Ooh, well, since it is the beginning of the week, that means we have a
Might
brand
be
new
asking
tip
why
of the
is
week.
he yelling and screaming to
And
come
after
on
that,
down
let's talk
because
about
I'm on
Twitter.
toss
Eddie, are you ready?
and I just
Tip
bought
of the
Yeah.
week.
6
Tip of the week.
short
You got to practice discipline. My goodness.
and it's going
Discipline,
against.
patience management.
I bought it
Now,
at
thing
78.
is, with discipline, I mean, we all have to work on
Oh
it.
my
You know,
goodness.
whether you're experienced or not,
Going
especially if
against
you're
me.
not
78
experienced,
is going
this is something that's
against
going to
me.
keep moving you forward. Now, talk about waiting for confirmation signals. avoid impulsive trades. All right. Always ask yourself, is this the right thing to do? Should I be doing this right now? Should I be buying here? Should
What
I
a
be selling?
beautiful,
Should I get out? Ask
beautiful
yourself those questions.
opening
If you can't get a
today.
right answer, you know what? Then there's a question
That
there.
should be
Follow the checklist criteria.
$13.
Right? Have that
Here.
checklist
Come
ready
on down. Come on
so
down.
you're moving
come on
forward.
down.
And also, time entries
Come on,
with
come on,
precision.
come on.
That's what it is. Practice discipline.
I
Trade
should
entries.
See
And
if I can
keep
add
that in mind.
two.
That's what we got for tip of the week. Back to you
Oh,
guys.
Eddie,
Maybe.
thank you so much.
He
We're going to talk
says
about
nope.
tip of the week in just a moment.
No
Also,
dice.
if you have not followed us on X, please
Maybe
do at
one.
Top Step TV. You can share with us your battle station, tick picks, any payout forms, any cool things. Are you trading from a cool place? Let us know. If you want to peer pressure Hogue to take a trade in the MES, I'm sure if we get a critical mass on X, maybe.
No.
Ooh,
Maybe that
Back
will
to
work.
2000.
Oh, hello.
Right.
Another big prop.
I
Yes,
too.
just
X-Tire.
sold one for the rally
Good
there.
draw.
I'm only
Yeah.
long 2 now.
Come on down.
We're out.
Oh, you're,
I'm out
oh,
there.
What are we now?
Hogue's in a trade. Wait, Hogue, you
82.
just got in and out of a trade, you sneaky son of a gun, you.
No, I wasn't liking the price action because it wasn't really going. So right
Yep.
before that break, I got out of 1
Okay.
and a profit, believe that or not. And then
Nice.
the
Nice.
price not bad. Minus 135.
Minus one. It's not bad. It is nothing but
No.
a scratch.
Down.
Minus 135.
Absolutely.
Nasdaq is moving. This has been so far actually a pretty active session for the Open. Started off around like 22,060 all the way up to 22,140 is almost 100 points. Low volume it looks like, Jay, so far.
Something just came
Hey,
out.
except for what just happened. Yeah, there was a huge spike of volume across the board. Crude oil, gold, everything kind of moving right now. I'm out of that
When you
gold trade
consider
down
the
486.
When you consider the volume today, though, it's still split between the two contracts as people roll
right.
over. So the futures
Yeah.
probably look. That'd be my guess.
That is right. We are in rollover. Top Step X does roll over automatically, which is fantastic. So you never have to worry about, am I trading the right contracts? No. You are if you're trading Top Step X. Gold also has crap the bet, it looks like. You're trading down around
Eddie, you got a hot
34.
biscuit for us?
Yeah, anything
Coming in
across
here,
the wire.
yes. Iran stated privately it will resume nuclear talks if the U.S. stays out of the fight. Also, Iran signaling it wants to de-escalate hostilities with Israel. These are just coming over the wire here right now. Back to you guys.
Oh, Eddie, thank you so much
Thanks,
for
Eddie.
keeping an eye.
Thank you,
Oh, wow.
Johnny.
Gold still selling off.
Yep.
Okay, 3407 and counting. This is
Coming
the
down to our 200
longest.
moving average, Hogue.
Where's the 200 moving average?
On the 30 minutes at 3400s right here. So this is where I took the
Wow,
initial trade
wow.
with micros, but here we are.
Wow, look at gold. Look at this.
Now, even with this news, are you going to jump in front of this?
Maybe.
Hmm.
Gonna wait.
Oh, got a maybe out of Jay.
Well, we're flat crude oil now as well.
Wow, what volatility this morning.
Bumping up against Hogue's weekly kickoff high already. What a way to start. We are
We didn't get
just
the read.
26
We didn't
minutes
get the
into the
bounce.
session, and
so
there we
we're
are.
gonna
Let's pack it
kill
up
all
and
this
My
crap.
goodness.
see you in a
Also,
week.
Crap,
look at this
man.
crude.
10 o'clock.
Oh my,
it's
already
still
down 70,
4 minutes.
69.89,
We got 4
69.90.
That shit
Crude
is
is down
$4,000. Oh my
$2 and
God.
counting already on the
Wow.
day.
Wow.
Down 4% in
Praise.
crude. Wow. Wow. What a day so far.
That was a
already.
fun trade.
Whew.
That should have just went in here and burned.
Man, it's almost too much going on right now. I want to talk about
See,
tip of the
went
week,
right
but these markets
my
are
target
just
right here.
moving.
My goodness.
Throw a dart at any market, and it has a move going on right now. This is incredible.
All right.
30,
About
37.
6,200
Oh my
in
God.
this contract would be all-time
was the
highs in the
target.
spot SPX.
Correct.
6,200, and we are making a run at within 100 points of those all-time highs. We're gonna get there. It's only a matter of time.
It only is. It only is. Look at this, man. Every market just moving around. Man, if you're trading the mornings, good luck today. Today is a wake-up call.
Boy, oh
Anyone
boy.
who's wow, crude already bounced 50 cents off of $70 a barrel. That is
Don't I
$1
have
per
the
tick.
down here?
That is a $500 move with
Raise
one contract in the
position
CL.
right
Wow, I'm getting
here.
flashbacks, man. I used to love trading crude. Okay, anyways, let's see if the market settles down a little bit. I do want to talk about tip of the week here. Practice disciplined trade entries. Coach Jay, how do you practice disciplined trade entries and how do you hone that craft?
I think you just have to do it, right? Traders ask, how do you get disciplined? Like what happens when I become a disciplined trader? Discipline is something that you do every day, right? You don't just all of a sudden get disciplined and stay there, because it can slip as well. So I think it's first understanding what you're looking for, and not with the intentions of being right on a trade, but in following a process. That gold long that I
Coming
just took,
down.
I would take
Come
that
on
same trade again.
down.
It was just one of the percentages of
Mhm.
times that it didn't work out, and you have to accept
What
that.
is this?
I think when we try to be right with every
Yo,
trade,
pretty
then it's a lot harder to be
wake up.
disciplined. We see
Mm.
traders, Dolby, trade in a combine or an XFA, and they get close to passing a combine, and then one or two trades go against them, and then they start switching their plan. Where it's once you can accept that you're going to be wrong, then you can say, hey, you know what? Well, this gives me the best opportunity to succeed, right? And nothing's guaranteed, but I think you first have to have an idea of what you're looking for, and then do it every day.
Jay,
Every day.
Jay, I thought I was wrong once, but I was mistaken.
There's a subtle
If you're
difference.
seeking perfection, you're gonna have a problem. That's for sure.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Jack, when you were at your old firm, would you work with like coaches or a team to help kind of like analyze your entries? I know some of your stuff was automated, but was there a process to improve?
I mean, you had mentors more than anything, i.e., there was
Hmm.
people that had been doing it forever. They were trading alongside of you. You would just talk throughout the day, but there wasn't a lot of psychological coaching beyond what you would give to any coworker that seemed to be experiencing extreme distress. So, just providing moral support, I would say, more than anything else.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I gotta say, hey, find a mentor too.
They
If you
did.
can. If you haven't found one yet, find a trading buddy. Find a
did
mentor. Go, Jack.
Have an on-staff masseuse
Oh,
at one firm that I worked at. So
Whoa.
you could call in and get an upper back and neck massage.
You have to like book that through Calendly or something.
Oh, I don't know if Calendly was around then. But that was nice.
Yeah, I love Calendly. It's like half of my life right now. All right, crude oil under crude oil's getting
Ever been on the
crushed.
leaderboard?
Absolutely
That's
crushed.
me.
69.80.
Haven't gotten
We touched
far.
70.50s.
Yeah.
Already down 70 cents
That's a reason.
in 4 minutes. Oh man! If
Show
you have
up,
not watched or traded
everybody,
crude oil, throw it up on a
and
chart.
make a little
Crude oil
money,
is
and
back,
I'm happy.
baby. It is back.
Look at that.
The trade's
Sure
at
is.
Okay,
Yeah.
so is this the
I think it's
15-minute break?
$10 a tick. I think I said $1 a tick earlier.
Is
It's
this
$10
the only
a tick.
break I'm going to have at 10 o'clock? Oh, my
One of the
goodness.
reasons why I first
Terrible.
traded it is because the math was
How
easy.
we gonna
Also,
work
everyone else was
this
doing it. It
so
was
we
cool
can
stock
get to
back then.
94?
Cool market back then.
Come on, where's
was the
the
coolest. Chat,
All
let
the
us
cool
know.
kids
Yeah.
are trading.
man? Where's my entry?
Don't do it, Dolby. She's a temptress. Yeah,
Where's my
kind of
entry?
is. Kind of is. I would love to get Dee's opinion on crude now.
Show me the
She also used to be a
entries.
crude
10
trader as
o'clock.
well.
I
Maybe
gotta
she's
gone
gone back
put
to the
this
oil
up
well.
on the
You
board.
keep on trading it. We'll see.
I just can't imagine how much
like
the state
this.
actors can make in the oil markets.
I know, Jack.
Like, I don't understand why they're always short cash. It's like they can just at any point go to the cash register, put on a position, say something, take it. It's like the infinite money glitch.
It literally is. It's not really fair. There is always that sort of issue just looming over crude oil. At any point in time, OPEC can come out with any press release and just kind of push price around. And if you're a trader caught in that, good luck. I hope you're on the right side. But it does
Jay,
happen.
what are you thinking?
I that gold trade off at 3,400 was good for 12 points if we bought it there. So I'm looking at crude coming down to the other 200 moving
Oh
average we
my
were looking at 69.
goodness, no
Uh,
entries.
and I'm just going to take it. It looks scary, but sometimes
How
the scariest
can we
trades are the ones you just need to click the
bring
button.
this up?
You remind yourself, that, hey, I had this technical
There we
understanding
go.
or
There we go. Come on.
had
Come
this
on. Pick
game
it
plan.
up. Oh, now I'm
and
going long.
it did exactly what we were looking
Oh,
for
I
it to
just
do.
made a
Was
mistake.
pushing to that 200 moving average. It happens. It looks scary because we get a headline, but that headline is just helping us get there quicker. So just looking at crude here off this 69 level to see if we get down there for an opportunity to buy.
Yep, we are getting mighty close.
I could
to that
hear the
69
wheels
on twos.
turning from here, Jay. I could hear the wheels.
Yeah, I'm
turning.
asking myself why the F I didn't take that trade. And Dolby, if you were asking what F word that was, it's the one you were thinking.
Why didn't you take the trade, Jay? We distract you?
No. I should have clicked the button, but here we are.
You don't know till you bet. Do not know
Right.
till you bet. One of my favorite quotes, I think it's from Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. One of my favorite trading books, filled with all sorts of wisdom and gems. Do you believe we actually have a Top Step library as well? Maybe we can link that in chat. I believe that is in the links section.
You know what I'll
Need a good
do,
trading book.
Dolby?
Yeah, what do you got?
I'll give the link for the whole page.
Oh, yeah.
There's just so much good stuff on there. I'll share that with everybody here, and give me just a couple seconds here to find it.
Yeah, we don't list it all that often, but if you need some summer reading, we do have a trading book library. Check it out. A lot of good recommendations from from all of us, really. Anyone who's been reading trading books, anyone at Top Step, a lot of good suggestions in there. Louis Lee, where is Dakota? Currently, he has a headache. I believe a migraine.
Oh my goodness!
We will see if he comes in. Maybe he's anxious about coming to Chicago. Who knows? Hope he's feeling better though. Can't wait to see Dakota. Cannot wait, man. Indices still pushing to the upside here. ES and Nasdaq just ticks away from new highs on the day. It looks like gold as well as crude oil are also bouncing. Crude is already back up to 70, 72. We were almost at 69.50. Now we're up
0.94 without me.
In
you believe
4 minutes. That
without a freaking break.
Absurd. Absolutely absurd.
Rally-based rally. That's what I need. A rally-based rally entry.
Top Step reading list. That is fantastic.
Yeah, that link that I put up there, you're going to get checklist levels. If you just want to go directly to that trading list, yeah, Coach Hoop's got that.
Oh, Jay.
Next trade, Hogue. Next trade.
Yep.
On to the next one.
What's that other F word? FOMO?
No.
22.
Just didn't even give us a chance for any kind of reversal pattern. Nothing.
Let's see. Let's
Although
do it.
that doji at the bottom there on that
Let's go.
5-minute
Let's go
chart
for
looks
it. 6.
Pretty tasty.
There we go. 6.
Oh, as a new scalper, which market are you looking at?
Reversal right now.
Take some trades.
Let's
Any
do it.
small time frame levels that you think might be interesting?
We got
yes.
one.
No,
one.
I mean, it was a scalper.
Let's see. We're taking a chance here. Come on.
On screen, I've been more of a. I would call it a daytime frame swing.
Come on,
Looking for
78,
bigger bites.
92.
Order filled. Adjust
we feel
that idea,
short.
Start looking at smaller time frame
Let's
charts.
see how he works.
You got to learn to accept them as actual charts.
See how he works. We're going short before we go long.
I mean, small time frames are time frames too, Hogue.
Yes, they are.
Might not be as cool as the 30-minute or
Short
hourly.
before
But
long.
still cool.
Okay.
Well, I mean, they're all cool. I mean, it's all fractal.
Yep.
Something in a smaller time frame can be a nice trend in that time frame, but it could be opposite of a bigger time frame trend in the opposite direction. And these are all things that I gotta keep an eye on, because if I'm going to be a scalper, I'm going to be looking at longer time frame context and thinking, okay,
Are
if the longer
short
time frame
from
context is a
92
trend to the upside, I should be looking for
because I
opportunities to
saw
scalp
this
on the long
right
side.
here,
The opposite
22
is true of the longer
at
time frame context is to the downside. You're looking for
4302.
opportunities to short it.
So maybe
Is there
we can get
a
another
setup
one.
that you like on the larger time frames
Maybe
that
we
you
can
think
get
will
another one
translate
short.
to say like a 1 minute or 5 minute, maybe even a 15-minute chart?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at this. I'm kind of wrapped up around excess, right?
Mhm.
So I mean, look at the low in the micro gold here. That's excess. That's a doji. That's a little bit of excess. You can take that trade. Risk below the low. So you're looking at, I don't know, 70 ticks on that. So you would probably trade that in micros, and then you take the long and you see what you get. But
Okay, one down.
Dolby, honestly, I think I'm gonna have a problem with always looking for the bigger moves.
Come on.
If I'm gonna scalp, I gotta scalp. If I'm gonna
Mhm.
look for bigger moves, I gotta look for bigger moves. So I just gotta keep that in mind.
Yeah.
If I'm looking for little bites, take the little bites. See money, take money. That's scalping.
Yeah,
Why?
nothing wrong with
Why?
appetizers all day. You can still get full.
Okay, let's do
And 60 with
another
chicken
one.
wings will be all right.
Yeah, get some chicken wings where like maybe there's a short there. There's been some resistance in
Oh,
that area
sorry.
over the past week. Broke out of it
Mm.
once. Right now, 6,100 on the dot is the high of the day in the ES. We're getting our first what you could call a pullback. 5 points.